and welcome back in the session of social studies. So students, in the last session we talked about different kind of forests we found, like tropical desert forest, tropical evergreen forest, tropical temperate evergreen forest, temperate deciduous forest, Mediterranean forest, and coniferous forest as well. So we have read about what kind of where they are located, and today we are going to read about their silent features. So basically, three types के forest like tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, and temperate evergreen. We are going to read about their features. The first one is features of tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forest, as we called it, tropical rainforest as well. In the silent features, these areas are as hot and receive abundant rainfall throughout the year. So abundant rainfall is there. So there is a little or no growth of plant in these forests. The creeper cling around the trees. In these forests, the ground remain waterlogged because sunlight cannot reach the ground due to three-layered vegetation. The trees are tall and hardwood and broad leaves that form a thick canopy at the top. This prevents sunlight from penetrating into the forest, and the interiors are dark and damp. Hardwood trees like rubber, mahogany, rosewood, and ebony are found in these 8 forests. So next forest is, students, tropical deciduous forest. What are the features of tropical deciduous forest? These forests are basically not as dense as the rainforest. So density is less as comparatively to rainforest. These regions experience seasonal changes. These are of medium height. These forests have a thick undergrowth of small trees and shrubs. The major trees of these forests are bamboo, sandalwood, teak, and sal. They have commercial value as they are used in making furniture. So these are the features of tropical deciduous forest. Next forest is temperate evergreen forest, and the silent features of forest are the highland only consists of the coniferous trees. The forests are dense and timber is valuable. Inhabitants of these regions rear cattle, pigs, and sheep. So these animals provide them wool, meat, and milk. A mixed variety of hardwood trees are also found there in these forests. The lowland consists of mixed forests like deciduous and coniferous varieties. And the main trees are wattle, pine, oak, and eucalyptus of these forests. So students, these are the main features of different 3 forests: tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous forest, and temperate evergreen forest. So this is all for the day. Thank you so much.